Hi there! Welcome to Fun to Fluent English, where learning English is fun and easy.
Drink enough water today. Your brain, skin, and energy levels all work better when you're well hydrated.
Let's break it down.
Drink enough water today.
Drink enough water today. Drink. Water. Water.
Bois suffisamment d'eau aujourd'hui.
Repeat. Drink enough water. Drink enough water. Today. Today. Usage examples. Drink. I usually drink a cup of coffee in the morning.
Je bois habituellement une tasse de café le matin.
It's important to drink plenty of fluids when you're sick.
Il est important de boire beaucoup de liquide quand on est malade.
She doesn't drink alcohol.
Elle ne boit pas d'alcool.
They drink tea every afternoon.
Ils boivent du thé tous les après-midi.
Enough. There's not enough food for everyone.
Il n'y a pas assez de nourriture pour tout le monde.
She doesn't have enough time to finish the project.
Elle n'a pas assez de temps pour terminer le projet.
We need to save enough money for our trip.
Nous devons économiser assez d'argent pour notre voyage.
Water. The water in the lake is very clear.
L'eau du lac est très claire.
He doesn't like to drink tap water.
Il n'aime pas boire de l'eau du robinet.
The plants need more water.
Les plantes ont besoin de plus d'eau.
She spilled water on the floor.
Elle a renversé de l'eau sur le sol.
Today. I have a meeting today.
J'ai une réunion aujourd'hui.
The weather is nice today.
Le temps est beau aujourd'hui.
He is coming home today.
Il rentre à la maison aujourd'hui.
She started her new job today.
Elle a commencé son nouveau travail aujourd'hui.
Your brain, skin, and energy levels all work better.
Your brain, skin, and energy levels all work better. Brain. Brain. Skin.
Ton cerveau, ta peau et tes niveaux d'énergie fonctionnent tous mieux.
Repeat. Your brain, skin, and energy levels. Your brain, skin, and energy levels. All work better. All work better. Usage examples. Brain. The human brain's an amazing organ.
Le cerveau humain est un organe incroyable.
The brain controls the body's functions.
Le cerveau contrôle les fonctions du corps.
She is doing a research on the brain.
Elle fait une recherche sur le cerveau.
The brain's the center of the nervous system.
Le cerveau est le centre du système nerveux.
Skin. Her skin is very sensitive to the sun.
Sa peau est très sensible au soleil.
He has a dry skin.
Il a la peau sèche.
She uses a special cream for her skin.
Elle utilise une crème spéciale pour sa peau.
The skin is the largest organ of the body.
La peau est le plus grand organe du corps.
Energy levels. My energy levels are low in the morning.
Mes niveaux d'énergie sont bas le matin.
Regular exercise can boost your energy levels.
L'exercice régulier peut augmenter vos niveaux d'énergie.
He has low energy levels due to his illness.
Il a des niveaux d'énergie bas à cause de sa maladie.
Work better. The machine works better after the repair.
La machine fonctionne mieux après la réparation.
The system works better with the new update.
Le système fonctionne mieux avec la nouvelle mise à jour.
When you're well hydrated.
When you're well hydrated.
Quand tu es bien hydraté.
Repeat. When you're well hydrated. When you're well hydrated. Usage examples. Well hydrated. You feel more energetic when you're well hydrated.
On se sent plus énergique quand on est bien hydraté.
Being well hydrated is crucial for athletes.
Être bien hydraté est crucial pour les athlètes.
Drinking enough water ensures you stay well hydrated.
Boire suffisamment d'eau assure de rester bien hydraté.
Vocabulary recap. Drink. enough water today. Your brain, skin, and energy levels all work better when you're well hydrated. Read. Listen.
Drink enough water today. Your brain, skin, and energy levels all work better when you're well hydrated.
Do you think you drink enough water? Let us know in the comments. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.